Birds. In their heyday, some reptiles were flying in the sky. Birds are their nearest descendants. Unlike reptiles, birds make a nest, lay eggs, and warm them for many days by sitting on them. After they have hatched, they continue to feed them until they are fully fledged. Birds are warm-blooded animals and protected by feathers. A bird flies by flapping its wings, which are powered by strong muscles, steering with its tail. Some fly as fast as a bullet train. Many birds are flightless. They have simply lost the power of flight in the course of their development because they can find food by walking or swimming, and they have no natural enemies. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.